Everybody, so today I have the Hoover Dimension Limited. It's running, it's ready to go. The only thing I couldn't do is find a light bulb. I lost wherever I put them. I had a few light bulbs left, or maybe I ran out. So I'm gonna have to get some more for these Elites, and hopefully they should be done. But usually when I come across a vacuum, I find a really good Elite style machine. This video is primarily for Grayson, since this was his childhood vacuum, which I think is just amazing. I don't know what were the chances of me walking into a storage area and I find one fellow collector's childhood vacuum just sitting out of the blue, and I got it for free. So things it also needs, one of these days I may go crazy and just take it apart and clean it, because right now it smells like the person's house who had it, even with like a new bag in it and everything. So it has a new bag, new belt in it. It needs a bulb. Other than that, though, it sounds great, and then I might put it downstairs until I get ready to work on it. I might even do a video comparing this between the Turbo Power 3500 and this. They're essentially the same thing, and I'll show the interchangeability of them. But until now, I have it running, and I am just going to get to the video. So let me know how it sounds and enjoy the video.